안녕, hi everyone, it's Amy. We are learning about the Korean consonants and there are 14 consonants in the Korean alphabet. 기역, 미은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읓, 키읔, 티읕, 피읕, 히읗. Let's take a look at the consonant 디귿 today. This is the consonant 디귿. It sounds like 드 as an initial consonant and 읒 as a final consonant. We wrote 기역 and 리은 with one stroke, but we need two strokes for 디귿. 1 and 2. This is the official writing order for 디귿, like 1 and 2. But many people write 디귿 with one stroke, like this. And some of them make a curve like this. You might be able to see this as well. Some people who want to write 디귿 following the official writing order with one stroke make this shape of 디귿, like this or this. I know they don't look the same as the official one, but now that you are aware of it, you will easily understand what people have written. Let's write 디귿's name. Do you remember how to write the names of the Korean consonants? If you put a certain consonant with E for the first syllable and put the same consonant under 으 as a final consonant for the second syllable, it becomes its name. 디귿 must have been its name. But I also told you there are 3 exceptions that include 디귿. This consonant's name is 디귿. 디귿, not 디읒. The consonant 기역 replace 이응 here. 디귿, 디귿, 디귿. As every consonant is used as an initial and as a final consonant in its name, knowing their names would be really helpful for you to understand what sound each consonant makes in a word. 디귿 sounds like 드. It's not like the English alphabet T sound. I'm not sure if I will be able to explain how different they are, but let me try. When you pronounce the alphabet T, it is a hard T sound. D, D, D. But in Korean, 디귿 makes a soft sound. 드, 드, 드. Look at this letter combination that you already know how to read. 아. The consonant 이응 doesn't have any sound, so if I change this into 디귿, you will hear the 디귿 sound. 다. It doesn't sound like da, like English, but 다. 다. 아. 다. 아. 다. 드, 드, 다. Now, I'll go through all the vowel combinations with 디귿. 다. 펴. 더. 겨. 도. 교. 두. 듀. 드. 디. 다랴, 더뎌, 도듀, 두듀, 드디. The final consonant 디귿 sounds like 읒. 읒. Your tongue is flat when you start to pronounce it. The sound stops by your tongue moving up to the roof of your mouth and closing the gap where the sound comes out. Ut, ut, ut. Let me sound out all the letter combinations with 티귿 as a final consonant. 앗, 얏, 엇, 엿, 옷, 얏, 웃, 윷, 읒, 잇, 앗, 얏, 엇, 엿, 옷, 얏, 웃, 윷, 읒, 잇. Here are a lot of letter combinations that are not used in real life at all. But let's just practice to read them to get used to the final consonant 티귿 sound. If you put 티귿 for both the initial and the final consonant, it would sound like this. 닷, 닷, 덧, 볕, 돛, 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 듯, 뒷, 닷, 닷, 덧, 덧, 돛, 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 듯, 뒷. Same as before, many of them are not used at all. This is the most exciting part. Let's practice to read and learn some new words. There will be more than 10 words from now on, and you should try to read them before me. Ready? 어디, 어디, 어디. 가다, 가다, 가다. Pause here for a minute. This is the first verb that we are learning. Korean verbs have a basic form which always ends with 다. You can change this form into various forms depending on the situation that you want to describe. For example, you can drop the 다 and put 요 for the present tense. 가요. And you would use 갔어요 in a past tense and 갈 거예요 in a future tense. There are many more different forms that you can use, such as 가지 마세요, 가고 싶어요, etc. And all of them are made with the basic form 가다. So knowing the basic form of verb is very important. Okay, let's go for the next word. 구두, 구두, 구두. 구두 is a kind of shoes that looks good on a formal dress or a suit. It is usually made of leather and includes high heels as well. 각도, 각도, 각도. 나도, 나도, 나도. 너도, 너도, 너도. Let's pause here for a while. 나도 and 너도 are very useful expression in daily life as you can answer simply. If someone tells you about their opinion, thought, or feelings on something, and you have the same opinion, thought, and feelings on it, then you can say 나도. 나 피자 좋아해. 나도. 나 안 행복해. 나도. If someone says something to you and you want to say the same thing to them, you can say 너도. 잘 가. 너도. You cannot use these expressions to someone who is older than you or who is not close with you, as 나 and 너 are not the formal expressions. Okay, let's keep going. 온도, 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 인도, 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 년도, 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 다, 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 더, 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 드디어, 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 닿다, 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 걷다, 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 듣다, 듣다, 듣다. The more consonants you learn, the more words you'll be able to make. There are way more words that I can make with 기역, 니은, and 티귿, but I have chosen useful words only. Try to memorize all the words that you have learned in this video so that you can use them in your daily life or one day. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in my next video. Bye! 안녕!